Y'all, I'm so mad it's raining today. It's normally so sunny out here and so pretty, and this is where I would have my coffee in the morning. But it's such a gloomy day today. So freaking cute. Y'all, so I am a little upset because it's 4 people in front of me at the nail salon. I came extra early thinking that I was going to be able to go in and out, and that's not the case because, like I said, I'm waiting. So I called another place and they won't be open to take me until 1, and it's already 12. And I'm waiting for these people. So I guess if they can't take me within the next 30 minutes, I'm gonna just make my way over to the next place. Because they was like, oh, we can't tell you when the tech is gonna come in. You know, they just come in whenever. I'm like, what? At least you're supposed to have at least a guarantee 5 people working. Like, but they was like, yeah, they don't do that. So they don't know who's coming to work today. So I was a little upset because I came here early and I was thinking that I was gonna get my toes done early so I could go finish what I gotta do. But that's not the case because obviously other people was here early as well, waiting to get their toes done. But I will be back, y'all. I will check in with y'all. Don't worry. So I kind of want you guys to get a good feel of how it is really out here. It's just kind of gloomy today because it was raining, but it is usually very bright and sunny. This is where I will come and have my coffee and read a book or something like that. You have a live band going on over here. Like it's very much a vibe, y'all. What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? Okay, y'all, so I am getting off the exit and we are on our way to one of my favorite vegan restaurants. I'm gonna meet my mom there, so I will let y'all know when we get there, okay? So we are cheering to wealth, health, and most love. Cheers, girl. Cheers. Let me see your bracelets, Mom. Show them. Period, girl. Period. Cause sis ain't playing with y'all, alright? Okay, y'all, we are at the last and final destination. If you know me, you know where we at. I am here for a client, you guys, and yes, I am here at Joann's. We about to go in. She wants a Christmas dress made, so I have to send her over some fabrics, get some pieces from here, get some sample pieces so that I can take to her so she can see the stretch of the fabric and like the sequence. She wants some small or big, so that's what we're going in here for. So let's go ahead and get started, y'all. Okay, y'all, so if you are new and you're a beginner sewer, I recommend using like some type of cheap fabric or muslin fabrics to cut your patterns out because it's going to be easier for you to do it. Like these colors, oh my gosh, are so beautiful on my skin complexion. Like, love it. This is fire. Definitely for a jacket, really nice. I like this. I picked up the nude one because I felt like this one was a little too light gray. and I feel like this one was too burgundy, so I end up getting like a nude color, and I'm thinking I'm gonna make me a nice little maxi comfortable because they're 50% off. Like, this is fire on my complexion, so nice. And you also have all of these that are on sale as well, so it's like, this would make some cute pants in the top. This will make some cute skirts. Like, it's giving a vibe right now. I love this. Now this is nice. But y'all, yes, my client is wanting sequins, so I'm trying to find some, trying to find some cute sequins for her. Like, this is a cute color. This is nice, and it's got velvet behind it, so you know it won't be see-through. So, and it's got a good stretch, and it's 50% off. This is pretty too. Oh my goodness. Ooh, yes, I like that. And I've said this before, but Joann's is a little expensive. But they also have coupons, so I mean, it's kind of like, you gotta come when you can get them coupons, because that's when it makes sense to come here. So I wanted to show this to any new coming sewers or seamstress, anything like that. These are the machines that they sell at my Joann's, and this is my first machine right here, the one that's 209. I still have it. I still currently use it. It's like one of my best ones, especially for sequins and stuff like that. I use it. These are obviously the newer models, this one and this one. And like I said, they have a bunch of other machines, like embroidery machines, sergers, stuff like that. But if you're just starting, you don't have much money, you can't get like a $500 machine, this machine will do the trick for you. This machine right here, 209, will do the trick. And I think they're even cheaper at Walmart probably, but they are definitely great to have. Okay, y'all, so I am out of Joann's. I spent a little grip over here and I'm about to get ready and go home, y'all. So until next time, I love vlogging with y'all. Y'all know I got y'all on the next vlog. So don't forget to treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace, y'all.